Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here that's by the brand called Green Box Innovation, and they made this amazing travel adapters you can actually use that is very similar to the one that I tested in the past, but there are slight difference, and there are certain things that make this one better than the other one, and there are certain things that the other one made it better than this one. But let's actually unbox this first and show you what comes inside the package, and then come back and talk about the product. So first thing you get when you open the package is, so there's the actual product itself here. There's the power cord, and I believe inside is all the extra power ports or the power plugs that you can use at different countries when you guys are traveling. They provide you a user manual instruction guide on how to set up the product and how to use it. And then they provide you this very nice little bag to hold the product when you guys are traveling. So when we open this package right here, we have the cable and then all the little plugs right here. So the thing about these plugs is very different is the fact that each one comes individually, not like the ones that I actually showed you guys last time about the adapters all in one. You just push it out, and I'll show you guys that later. Here is the actual product itself right here, which is really nice. So right here we have the power. You guys can see there's ventilation for the product to prevent it from overcharging and whatnot. We have two plugs right here that you can use to plug in your products if you guys want to. Right here is where you guys will plug in the plug that they provide you, which we'll show you guys later on. And then right here is where you guys will use the USB if you guys want to plug in your devices here. So these are 2.4A and this one is Quick Charge 3.0. So the only way for us to find out whether or not this actually works and how well it works and whether or not it's actually worth it is to go test it out. So let's go do that first, and then we'll come back and talk about the product. Alright, so here we have the travel adapter. So it comes with all these different plugs that I mentioned earlier, but we're going to test it out to see how it works and whether or not it actually works. So first thing we have to do is plug this part into the adapter that we need, and since we're in the US, we're going to use this one. So we won't need any of the other ones for now because we can't even use it because we don't have these in America. Alright, so we have it all plugged in now. Let's turn it on. So it's on. So first one we'll plug in is our light. Alright, so as you can see, the light turned on, so it does work. Next one we're going to plug onto this part right here is my portable charger, which is right here. This is a portable charger that's my Anchor. And as you can see, it is charging, and the light still works because it's still on. Next, we could try these. So these are the regular 2.4As, and this one right here is the Quick Charge 3.0. So first one we'll plug in is our gotcha right here. Alright, and if I can see right there, it is charging. So 1 out of 4. Let's continue. So next up we have our little hand warmer, and as you can see, that one is charging as well, and the other ones are still charging. So let's continue on to the next ones. Alright, so there we have our portable charger. You guys won't be able to see a number because the camera won't be able to look at the number correctly, but you guys can see it is charging. That is charging. My gotcha is still charging, and that is still charging. The light is still on. And last one would be quick charge, so I'll use that for my phone and see when it works. Alright, so if I heard it, it is charging and it does work. And here's a little bit of Pokemon Go for you guys, but you guys can see it is charging, and all 4 of my products are still charging, and 5 products charging, and the light is still on. So this product does work, and it actually works really, really well. It's quite portable. It's different than the other travel adapter that I have. Let me show you guys which one I'm talking about. So you guys remember I did a video for this travel adapter, so this one's actually a lot different than this one, but there are the same functionalities on here. So this one's actually much more portable if you guys can see, because you guys have to carry this and then the other plugs as well. So you guys remember the other plugs that like these, so you have to actually carry more. Alright, so the main difference between this one versus this one is the fact that this one you guys can actually plug 2 of them and then 4 of these, whereas this one you guys can only plug 1 and then 4 of these little USBs on here, and this one's not even 4 USB, it's 3 and then 1 USB-C. So you guys lose one of the USB plugs on here, but then you're getting a USB-C on here, so that's the main difference. But if I had a choice between both of these, I prefer this one more than this. But if you guys are someone who travels and need more plugs, like more of these, so 4 of these and then 2 of these, then this one's actually much more worth it than getting 1 of these. But if you guys don't need that many and just need 1 of this and then 3 of those and then 1 USB-C, then you guys should get the 1 of these. So both of them are around the same size. This one actually had to carry more plugs because of this, but this one you guys don't have to carry as much because all of them are all in one. So this is very good design, but this one is a good design as well because you guys have more plugs and more options and functionalities on here. Just more to carry if you guys don't mind that. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw the test of the product, you guys can see that actually works really well. It charges most products all at the same time and all of them still works really well. And the power that it generates is pretty amazing as well. Like it charges up to I believe like 230 watts or something, and that's a lot of power. So this product comes in two different colors, gold and silver. So if you guys like those colors, then you guys can choose between those. If you guys don't like the color and you guys want something else, then buy something else. But the cool thing about this product is the fact that it has multiple protection on it. It has short current protection, and it also has over voltage protection, overcharge protection, fire resistant protection if it explodes or there's some kind of fire. It has all that built in with the good technology that is on here, which is really nice. And probably one of the coolest thing about this is the fact that it's portable. So you guys can actually bring this on the go and just use it wherever you guys want to, and you guys can share this with other friends. But with all that being said, ensuring you guys the test of the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So this product in particular costs around $44, and if you guys use the discount code, I believe it's like 41 or 42 or less than that maybe. But honestly, for me, I have to say that it's quite worth it because of the fact that what is on here. Like, if you guys remember earlier, I had mentioned how this one's different than the other travel adapter, where the other one's more smaller and it's more portable, and you guys don't actually have to bring so much stuff like the cable and the different plugs and all that stuff. The thing about this one is the fact that this one can support all those power when you guys are traveling, whereas that one is like less, because it's how compact this is limited to how much power it can generate, where this one can generate more power and there's more plugs. So in a way, this one is much better because you guys can generate more power and charge faster. Sorry for the noise in the back because of some stupid motorcyclist, but as I was saying, pretty much this product is actually really worth it, and I do highly recommend getting it if you guys really want one. If you guys don't need it, then obviously don't buy it, but both product is really worth it if you guys need one. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the little unboxing, testing, and feedback of the product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have